Your blood vessels, keeping your tissues alive. As important as all the systems are, none of them would survive without a proper blood supply. In your vascular system, your blood vessels circulate oxygen and nutrients to all the tissues in your body so they can function and repair themselves as necessary. A muscle or organ will not work properly if the nerve connection to it is severed, but if the blood supply is cut off, the tissues will die, so blood flow wins in the hierarchy of importance in your body. Thankfully, it is rare that you are in a position where blood supply is completely cut off to an area of your body, but it is quite common that blood flow does get restricted to certain tissues on a more subtle level. The amount of blood an area needs fluctuates based on what you are doing. If you are exercising, your muscles will need more blood. If you are digesting, your intestinal tract may be the priority. The sensory feedback loops in your nervous system are closely connected to your vascular system and help prioritize which tissues need the most blood flow at any given moment and adjust accordingly. Stress, poor posture, and injuries in the mid-upper back area can impact your body's automatic regulation of blood flow and contribute to areas of tension and pain in your body. Tissues that aren't getting enough blood will commonly start to generate pain signals and cause the body to brace a particular area. That in turn can affect a person's overall alignment. The problem can range from a subtle fascial tension limiting small blood vessels to blood clots and tumors creating more serious blockages. Often it is small injuries and stress that cause a subtle dysregulation of your nervous system and vascular systems, which then translate into your experience of pain. Healthcare professionals like physiotherapists, chiropractors, and massage therapists use a variety of techniques to assess and treat the areas holding tension to facilitate better blood flow and nerve conduction. Your body is a collection of parts that are all more connected than you can likely comprehend. It is important to appreciate that you are a dynamic system that is constantly influenced by what is happening around you and inside of you. When things start to hurt, you should consider the chain of events that led up to your discomfort, as well as how you deal with the discomfort you feel. Stress can create pain, and pain itself is a stressor. The best way to problem solve your issues is to seek help from someone who is willing to listen to you, understand you, explain your issue, and treat the connections between your parts and your problems.